Yes, now students, next properties of division. Next concept, properties of division. So, what are the properties there in division? The first property, so here the first one is 6 divided by 1 is 6. It means if any number is divided by 1, so we will get the same number. The number itself is a quotient, is our quotient. It means if any number is divided by 1, so the quotient is the number itself, the number itself. Say 6 divided by 1 is 6. Instead of this 6, if you take 10, 10 divided by 1 is 10. 1000 divided by 1 is 1000. It means if one divides any number, the quotient is the number itself, only the quotient. This is first property in division. Then second property in division, see here, second property, if any number divided by itself, the answer is always 1, Here 6 divided by itself, 6 divided by 6, then answer is 1. In the same way, 10 divided by 10, the quotient is 1. Then 100 divided by 100, then the quotient is 1. 99 divided by 99, then quotient is 1. This is our second property. Then third property, dividing any number by 0 has no meaning. If any number, whatever number is there, if any number is divided by 0, then it is a meaningless, it is no meaning. How it is a meaningless? See here. So, division, what is a division? Division means repeated subtraction, So, already we did. So, what we did? 9 divided by 3 is what? 9 divided by 3 is what? How we did this dividend? This is the divisor. We did dividend minus divisor. What is the answer? Answer is 6. Again, so this remainder means this difference or remainder. Again we have to take minus with the divisor. Then 3. Again these 3 we took here, 3 minus and this divisor. The answer is 0. Then 1, 2, 3. At 3 steps we are getting answer is 0. It means 9 divided by 3 is 0. 9 divided by 3 is 3. When we divides this 9 with the 3, then what is our quotient? The quotient is 3. So, why here quotient is 3? So, after 3 steps we are getting remainder is 0. So, that is why our quotient is 3. So, like this, by doing repeated subtraction, we did our division. So, here in the same method if we follows, then what happens? See here. So, what we have to do here? So, this is a dividend and divisor. Dividend minus divisor we have to take. Dividend minus divisor, then what we have to get here? So, that again this is the remainder. So, remainder minus divisor again, remainder minus divisor again. So, when we have to do? So, till 0. So, at what step we are getting 0? At third step we are getting 0. See, in that also if you follow the same, then what happens? See once here. Here 3 is the dividend minus divisor. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Again, if you use this remainder, what is the remainder? Remainder minus divisor is 3. Again, remainder minus divisor is 3. Then remainder minus divisor is 3. Again, remainder minus divisor is 3. You are getting the same thing continuously. So, you are not getting 0. So, if you do infinite times, then you are getting the same answer 3 only. So, that is why it is a meaningless. Why it is meaningless? So, because of this. So, 3 divided by 0, it's a meaningless. So, the fourth property, if 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. How it is? Multiplication. So, multiplication facts and division facts. Multiplication and division both are the opposite to each other. First, multiplication fact, 2 into 0 is 0. Like division fact. So, what the division facts? First, so we did multiplication facts. How multiplication facts we applied? So, we applied multiplication facts like 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay. So, this is a multiplication fact. Then how to convert this multiplication fact into division fact? So, what is the product? If this product is divided with the first factor, then you should get the second factor. Otherwise, this product, if you divide with the first factor, then you should get the second factor. So, these two are the division facts, division facts. In the same way, if we apply, this is the product. Product is divided by the first factor, product is divided with the first factor, then we should get the second factor, then we should get the second factor. So, that is why if 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0, the answer is 0. Okay. So, these are the 4 properties there in division. First, if any number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself, the quotient is the number itself. Second property, if any number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Third property, if here dividing any number with 0, dividing any number with 0, it is a meaningless, it has no meaning, it has no meaning. The third one, 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0, the answer is 0. These 4 rules you should remember, these 4 rules, these 4 properties you should remember. Then after that, here properties to be remembered, the same thing here repeated thing, identity property. This property is called identity property. 5 divided by 1 is 5, it means 5 is equal to 5. If 5 divided by 1, then the answer is 5, In formula format, if A means here a variable, so A should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, whatever it is. If any number is divided by 1, so then the answer is the number itself. So, this is called identity property, Next, 0 element. If 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. Here 0 is divided by any number we say A is a variable, then the answer is 0, Here equality, so this equality simply we know, if 10 divided by 5 is equal to 10 divided by 5, both are equal. If you say this one is A, this one is B, then we can say that when it's equal, when the two are equal, then A is equal to B, The A divided by C and B divided by C, both the numbers are divided by the same number with C, then when it should be equal, when these two numbers are equal, A and B, when these two numbers are equal, then only the answer is equal. Here this is A divided by C, B divided by C, here the C is same. So, what about A and B? A and B should be equal. So, when these two answers are same, so when the two numbers divided with the same number, then answers are equal. It means the two what dividends all should be equal. So, that is why A is equal to B. This is common means if we use common sense, then we will get the answer. A is equal to B, then only it is possible. Otherwise, they are not equal. So, identity property, 0 element, and after that equality. This in a tabular form he has given. So, remember, so this equality and identity, and also the last 0 element. Here 4 properties are there. So, what the properties? Same number divided by same number is 1. So, this is missing in the table. Okay. So, all these properties you have to remember. Okay. Now, students, in this activity 4, fill in the blanks. This activity is based on the properties of division. So, what we discuss the properties of the division. So, this complete 12 problems, 12 blanks, so depend on the properties of division. See here, first question, 9 divided by 1. If any number is divided by 1, then what is the answer? Answer is the number itself. The quotient is the number itself. If any number is divided by 1, so then what is our quotient? The number itself. Here also, if any number is divided by 1, then what is the quotient? The number itself, means 16. The number itself means 16. Here, if any number is divided by 1, then what is the answer? The number itself, that means 39. The same, if any number is divided by 1, then what is the quotient? The number itself, 64. Next, here quotient is 8, here divided by 1. So, it means if any number is divided by 1, then we will get the same answer. The same question, but here the quotient is in the blank, here the dividend is in the blank. Here quotient is given and divisor is given. So, if the quotient, if the dividend is same, then the quotient, if whenever the number is divided by 1, so whatever there in the quotient, that should be there in the dividend. Okay. Here, so quotient is 25 and divided by 1, it means the dividend is also 25. If 25 is divided by 1, then we will get 25 as a answer. Then if the number is divided by itself, then it is 1, the quotient is 1. So, here the dividend and quotients are the same. When it is possible? When we divided by 1. If any number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. So, we have to think what is given. Here quotient is given, or the dividend is absent, or divisor we have to find. First we have to think, and first we have to observe the question. According to that, we have to fill the blank. Okay. Same number is divided by same, so then the quotient is 1. Same number is divided by with the same number, then the quotient is 1. Here also, the number is divided by itself, then the answer is 1. Here, the number is divided by itself, the answer is 1. Either it is 1, 13, 14, whatever it is. So, other than 0 we have to see. Okay. 1 is divided by 1, the quotient is 1. It means the number divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Okay. Then the quotient is 1. If the number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. So, these questions based on these two properties. Okay, students, remember all this. Okay. The next concept, see here students, division using multiplication tables. So, it is also called long division method. Long division method, using long division method. So, we have to divide the given problem. So, here for this long division method, you should know the tables perfectly. Okay. You should by heart the tables, multiplication as well as for division, the tables are important. Okay. Now, see here in example, so what he has given, divide 54 by 6 using multiplication table. Multiplication table, which table? 6 table we have to take. So, with 6 table, so we have to divide 54. Then in the solution, how to take? First, this is a divisor, so we are going to divide. So, with 6, this 6 is called divisor. So, we have to draw like this. Then after that 54 like this, and after that if you want to take like this, that is your wish. Otherwise, if you want to keep a line upside of this, that is your wish. So, most of the times the quotient should, we are writing quotient here only on right side, not on top side, but in a textbook the quotient is taken on top of this number. Okay. Here I am taking the quotient here on right side. Okay. That is your wish. Either you want to take your quotient on right side or on upside, that is your wish, you decide. Okay. So, it is not compulsory to take up only, it is not compulsory to take on right side only, it is not mean that. Okay. Here, see here 6 table we have to check. First, this is in ones place, this is the tens place. Tens place value we have to check. So, tens place, in tens place we have 5. Compare this 5 with the divisor. So, this 5 is lesser than this. If lesser than this, then we have to take 2 digits at a time, 2 digits at a time. Now, this is 54, 54. Now, we have to check in 6 table when you will get 54. Read your 6 table. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 9s are 6 9s are 9 we have to write here in the quotient place. 6 9s are 54, 5 in 5 place and 4 in 4 place means 1's place. Then we have to make minus. 54 minus 54, it is 0, 0. So, like this we have to take. First what we have to take? First we have to take a divisor 6 and we have to keep like this, and after that you take the dividend. 54 is a dividend, and after that again you have to draw like this. So, if you want to take your coefficient here or here, that is your wish. So, I want to take my coefficient on right side. So, now after that, so 1's place and 10's place. Here it is a single digit number, you take extreme left value, left digit. What is your extreme left digit? 5. Now, you compare extreme left digit with this number. Then 5 is less than this 6. So, that is why. So, we have to take 2 digits at a time. So, that is 54 we have to take at a time. Now, we have to check 54 where we will get in 6 table. Read your 6 table. So, no need to write 6 1s are 6 2s are. Start from 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. Exact we are getting 54. Then you take 54, then make minus. Same number minus same number is 0. After taking this, then so write your dividend. What is the dividend here? Divisor first. Divisor. Divisor is 6, 6 is your divisor. This is the dividend. What is your dividend? Your dividend is 54 and your quotient. Your quotient is 9 and the remainder. Whatever left, that is 0. So, these are the terms. So, which terms? So, in the divisor these 4 terms are there: divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. When the remainder is 0, then what is the formula? So, that formula is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. When this formula we have to use, when the remainder is 0, then we have to use this formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. When the remainder is 0, then we have to apply this formula to check. Okay? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Okay? Okay, students. So, activity 5, in this activity find the quotient. We have to find the quotient. So, in these 8 questions, so we have to do our division by using long division. Long division. Here this is the divisor, divisor 3. So, we have to take divisor and we have to take like this, and after that dividend. Now, we take like this. After that, so we have to check. So, first you have to write here 1's place and 10's place. Now, we have to take extreme left digit. What is the extreme left digit? 2. Now, you check, compare 2 with this divisor. 2 is lesser than this 3. Now, you consider 21 at a time. If less, then you take the next digit also, 21. Now, after taking 21, now you check in 3 table when you will get 21. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Exact at 3 7s are. 3 7s are here 21. We have to take 21 like this. Same number minus same number, 0. Then what he is asking? Quotient. So, write your quotient. Your quotient is this one, that is 7. Your quotient is 7. Next, here 24 divided by 4 means 4 is a divisor. Divisor divides this dividend. This is ones place, this is tens place. Now we have to check 2 with this divisor, compare. So this 2 is lesser than this 4. So we have to consider this 24 at a time. Now in 4 table when you will get 24. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Same number minus same number 0. 0 is the remainder. Then this is our quotient. What is our quotient? Quotient is 6. 6 is your quotient. Next, here this is the divisor. Divisor divides this dividend 42. This is ones place, tens place. Tens place extreme left digit we have to compare with the divisor lesser than this. Then you have to take 42 at a time. Then where you will get 42 in 6 table. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. Same number minus same number is 0. Same number minus same number is 0. So now this is our quotient. What is our quotient? Quotient is 7. 7 is our quotient. Here 30 is divided by 5. 5 is a divisor and 30 is a dividend. Now this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Now we have to check 5 extreme left digit, that is 3 with 5. 3 is less than this 5. So we have to take 2 digits at a time. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. 5 6s are 30. Same number minus same number is 0. This is our quotient. This is our quotient. Quotient is 6. 6 is your quotient. Now the next 48 divided by 8. 8 is your divisor and this is our dividend. Now this is ones place and this is tens place. First we compare extreme left with the divisor. So this is less. So we have to take 48 at a time. In 8 table when you will get 48. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. 8 6s are 48, same number. Same number minus same number is 0. This is our quotient. What is your quotient? Quotient is 6. Our quotient is 6. Next, this is the divisor. This divisor divides this dividend. Now this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Now you compare tens with divisor, less. So take 36 at a time. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Same number minus same number is 0. This is your quotient. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 4. Next, 35 divided by 7. 7 is a divisor. Divisor divides this dividend. So then in 7 table when you will get 35. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. This is in ones place and tens place. 35 minus 35, 0. This is your quotient. Quotient is 5. Now this 63 we have to divide with 7. 7 is a divisor and 63 is a dividend. This is in ones place and tens place. Extreme left digit we have to compare with this 7. Then this is less, we have to take 63 at a time. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Same number minus same number, the answer is 0. This is your quotient. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 9. So in this way you have to do. So and write your quotient. Okay. More 4 questions left. That 4 questions, similar questions, your home assignment. Okay.